I have been sent the new Vieve Skin Nova Complexion Balm, which I have on one side of my face. This is a colour 210. I thought it was going to be far too light for me. It's a teensy bit light, but nothing too much. So I was like, oh, I'll just show it. And then I put it on, really liked it. So I'm going to do a autumn makeup all around Vieve products. So this side hasn't got any on, so I'm just going to pop it on. All I've done underneath is moisturise. It's really buildable. So you put one coat on and it's like, one layer on, and it's like you've got nothing on. Or, you know, something just to even the skin tone out. But it's really nicely buildable. So I'm going to actually push the second layer over the skin, just to give me a bit more coverage. It says it's got hydrating and smoothing skincare ingredients in it, and the formula adds radiant customizable coverage so you can build with it, which is what I'm doing. I'm then going to go in with a camel eyeshadow stick and pop it all over my lid. So I don't want it winged out, I want it quite round for a change. So I'm going to go under the eyes quite low, a bit panderish at the moment. You have quite a good amount of playtime with these sticks, so I'm going to then take a brush and just buff the outside, blending it up towards my brow and underneath with the same brush. No need to swap for a smaller brush. Someone has just got in the shower, so there's loads of background noise. It makes a whirling noise every time I film. So I'm going to take one of these eyeshadows. I think I'm going to go for Buff, maybe this little area. You can get these in a quad. I think I'm going to go for Buff, this one here. I'm going to take that on a buffing brush, and this is going to have a good lay down because it's kind of quite tacky still, the eyeshadow. Cream eyeshadow, so it's going to pick up really well. The shower has stopped. Just buff that over the top to really bring out those colours. I just love these colours together. It makes it such a like rich caramel, whichever you prefer. I'm going to take that under the eye as well. I'm not really sure where I'm going with this look yet, so I'm just going to take the mascara first before I go too far, because just adding mascara might be enough. I would put liner or something with it, but then it might change the look completely. And I don't have a Vieve liner, and I wanted this to be all about Vieve products. I could use an eyeshadow, but I think mascara might do enough. This mascara is the modern mascara. It's in Midnight Black. See, I think the mascara might just add enough. And once the skin's done, it might be enough. I'm then going to go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the Modern Radiant Concealer. And I'm going to use a brush just to push that in. What's left on the brush, I'm just going to run through here, just to make sure that's really nicely blended, and sometimes using a product that's already got a bit of your concealer on, it just helps the blend. And then I go back in with the brush that had the eyeshadow on and just run that over the top again. It will just pick up again, but it makes it blend a bit better. In with some cream bronzer. And you can see how the foundation instantly blends with the bronzer to make it look more like it's the right colour for me at the moment. I'm a little bit tanned. Another layer of mascara now. And then when I go in with a little dusting of Delicious, might mix it with that one as well actually, just under my eyes. I'm then going to take a little bit of powder and just flatten down any areas I want a little bit less shine, because in autumn I want a more velvety kind of finish to the skin. So I'll take the powder through the central panel, a little bit on my jaw. Leave the cheeks because I like that shine, but anywhere else that needs it, so a little bit through this centre. I'm going to go with a little bit of Sunset Blush Balm, and I'm going to work it on the back of my hands and really work it into the brush so it just kisses the skin. It's just giving me a little bit of a colour lift, so really getting it into the brush. Velvet Sands lip liner. You don't even understand how excited I am and the rest of the world that maybe we might have a chance to see Oasis. And Oasis were massive when I was at school, and I remember going to Essex with my friend on a trip to stay at her dad's, and going to the, I think it was HMV, and buying the single, because it was all I could afford, of Wonderwall. And on the B-side was Master Plan. and it's my favourite ever song, full stop, and by Oasis. And I think my sister was sick of it because I listened to it back to back to back. I just think it's the most fabulous song. And recently, or a couple of years ago, we went to Latitude and Noel Gallagher was playing, and he played that song, and it's sung by him, so obviously he was allowed to play it. And my sister's just got me filmed. My sister filmed me because she knows, obviously, she grew up with me and listened to it back to back to back, that she hated it so much. Probably loved it really, and she's just filming me going, oh my god, singing at the top of my voice, almost crying, because I was like, I never thought I'd get to see this ever. So I, like everyone else, will be hoping to get them. If you've never listened to Master Plan, please listen to it. Best song ever. I just want a slightly darker lip line around the outside. This one's tailored. Just going to take a brush and just soften that. Then I'm going to go for a little bit of lip dew and Pesca. And there you have a finished autumn look using Vieve products and using the new Skin Nova complexion balm. Hope you enjoy. I will do more autumn looks using different tones that are popular in autumn, so you can see which one might be your favourite. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.